What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to share your Amazon Prime benefits to your family. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, I'm going to tell you I don't have an Amazon Prime membership, but I can still show you how it's done. So go to your profile, just hover your mouse to account and list, and it will just go to membership and subscription right here on the bottom part. And after go to that, I don't have an info, but if you have a membership, a paid membership manage will appear on the screen, and you can just click that, and it will redirect you to another page where you can manage your account membership. And there you will have an option to share your benefits to your family. If you click that, it will also redirect you to another page where it will prompt you to create a household where you can add a member of your family, add an adult member, add a teen member of your family, or add a kid member to your family using their email information. And that's it. That's how you add or share your benefits to your family on Amazon Prime. And that's it. And that's all for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.